Are you ready to transform your cooking? Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Pressure Cooker, your ultimate kitchen shortcut for delicious meals. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's an electric pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, food warmer, sterilizer, and more, all in one sleek appliance. Imagine decluttering your countertops while still having every cooking method at your fingertips. Tired of complicated recipes? The Duo Plus makes meal prep effortless with its 15 smart customizable programs from soup and poultry to cake and oats. Just press a button and you're on your way to perfectly cooked dishes every single time, making it ideal for busy families or beginners. Durability and easy cleanup are essential, and that's exactly what you get with its premium food-grade stainless steel inner pot, a much safer and healthier alternative to non-stick coatings. What truly sets the Instant Pot Duo Plus apart for 2025 is its unparalleled versatility and user-friendly design, proving that healthy, home-cooked meals don't have to be a chore. If you're looking for the best kitchen appliance to save time and revolutionize your cooking, this is it. Ready to experience the magic yourself? Find the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon using the link in the description below and check out current prices. For anyone serious about upgrading their kitchen this year, I highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It's a game changer.